Thibitari wa Nanyuki Cottage county-inĩ ya Laikipia ugĩte no ũhote kuona njanjo mũthemba wa Sputink V ya kũhũrana na mũrimũ wa COVID-19 ĩrĩa ĩrathondekerwo bũrũri-inĩ wa Russia na meharĩrĩirie kũmĩamũkĩra na kũheana kũrĩ Kenya kuuma rũciũ.
Landed just 2 days back in the country, and we have got emergency authorization to use from Pharmacy and Poisons Board on 9th of March 2021 for this vaccine. And right now it's going through the regulatory process and all the clearances and all, and it will be available for public use in a day or two. So that's where we are.
Thibitari uyu urauga umionete na njira iria yagirire kuona ni gukoretwo na ciuria cia kana thirikari ni hetukitie njanjo iyo.
Yes, we already have a booking, huge list of people who have already shown interest, who have already booked and reserved for the vaccination, specifically for this the private sector Sputnik V vaccine. So we are just now scheduling, that when we can provide.
Makauga mundu ekubatara kuriha kuma ciringi ngiri 8 kwamukira njanjo iyo iria mundu arathecwo maita meri.
We have priced it at a very low rate because we are a not-for-profit organization. So the vaccine is available per dose, which is available in ampules, not in vials, in ampules, and each ampule or each dose costs around 8,000 shillings.
Mwena wa thirikari, CS wa Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri Masi Mwangangi augite ni mararora kana ni mekuhetukia njanjo iyo rungu rwa marua ma hinahi.
There is no current pharmacy or hospital in the country that has a Sputnik V vaccine with them. And through the emergency market authorization, it is actually illegal for a facility to advertise and to say that it has that commodity.
No rurenda-inĩ rwa bodi ya kuheana marua ma wendia na uheani wa dawa kuhitukira akaunti-inĩ yao ya Twitter yugite ni hitukitie uheani wa njanjo ino. Riu kiuria ni kana thibitari uyu ni ugukorwo ukiamukira njanjo ino na kwanjia kumiheana haro-inĩ ya COVID-19. Handu-inĩ ha Inooro TV de county ya Laikipia, njĩtagwo Martin Munene.